What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to schedule your appointments and your tasks in Google Calendar. So Google Calendar, as you might know, is a powerful tool that allows you to schedule all your tasks and appointments, and all you need to do is to go to calendar.google.com. Obviously you need to be signed in or have a Google account, and you can create a calendar, or here I have multiple calendars here to show. And you can create a new calendar, for example, for work, and start here scheduling your appointment. So let's say I want to schedule an appointment for Saturday, for example. Just click here and the appointment details will pop up. Let's say this is a test appointment. You can add a start date and an end date here, and you can also add a time. So let's say it'll start here at like 6 p.m. okay, till like 8 p.m. so it's a 2-hour, and you can make it as an all-day appointment. Okay, you can edit the time zone, and you can even repeat it weekly on Saturday or monthly on the first Saturday, or in a custom or on custom dates. Let's make it weekly on Saturday, and it'll here repeat it on every Saturday. You can add guests or people. You can add a Google Meeting conference, a location, or a description. Okay, so save it, and as you can see here, the test appointment is in every Saturday. Now you can even schedule multiple appointments at the same day here if you want. Now that was how you schedule appointment. Let's schedule a task here. So in the type, let's say this is another test. In this case, now I'll choose a task, so it's a task, not an appointment. Okay, so add a description. This is a test task. Okay, and you can add it to a list, so you can choose a list to add it to, and you can also add a time. Let's make this task due at like 3 a.m. okay, and save. Okay, let's dismiss. And here, this task, if you click on it, you can go ahead and view the details, and you can edit it if you want to, or make it an all-day task. And once you have completed, you can mark as completed, and now it's a completed task. And here in the appointments, you can as well click on any appointment here, and you can edit it. You can invite someone here. You can delete the appointment. You can email the event details, and you have more options here to duplicate it or copy it to other calendars. Now let's edit the appointment. It opens up the appointment in a more detailed view. You can even change the appointment color. Let's make it red. And when you are at the appointment, you are busy or free. Let's make it busy. Default visibility is public or private for this appointment. Let's make it public. And you can even add a description. This is a test appointment. Okay. And you can modify the event, invite others, and see a guest list. Now here, you can find a time or set the time for the appointment here. It's between 6 and 8 p.m. Here, if you click, you can adjust or move it like early an hour for 5 to 7 p.m. And you can even expand it from like 5 to 8. So you have full control over the time as well. Let's go back to the event detail. You can add a location. You can add notification here like 10 minutes before the event or the appointment, so that you can get notification or an email. Like let's say I want to get notified by email like 15 minutes before the event, and you can set that up. And if you tend to forget, you can add another notification so to get notified 10 minutes before the event, and you can even delete the notifications that you want. And you also have more actions right here. You can print it, you can delete it, duplicate it, you can copy it to your other calendars here. And now once we save, we can choose to save this event only for this Saturday only, or for this and following events and all events. Let's say this and the following events. And as you can see, all the events now, or all the appointments now, are in red color code, and they start at 5 p.m. So that's how easy it is to schedule appointments on Google Calendar.